Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Netlify to deploy a token-gated website, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, start by creating a Netlify account if you haven't already. Visit the Netlify website and click on sign up or log in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Netlify dashboard. Next, prepare your website files. If you have a local project ready, ensure it's properly structured with an index.html. If you're using a framework, build your project to generate the necessary output files. Now, go back to your Netlify dashboard. Click on the New Site from Git button. Select the Git provider where your project is stored, like GitHub or GitLab. Authorize Netlify to access your repository. Choose the specific repository that contains your website files. Configure your build settings if necessary, depending on your framework or project setup. Click on Deploy Site to start the deployment process. Wait for Netlify to build and deploy your site. Once deployed, you'll receive a unique URL for your site. Now, to set up token gating, you'll need to configure access controls. Visit the Netlify dashboard again and go to your site settings. Navigate to Identity in the Settings menu. Click on Enable Identity to activate it. Next, go to the Authentication section and set the options according to your needs. Now, set up the token gating mechanism. Ensure that your website recognizes the tokens you intend to use for access. You may need to integrate a wallet or token verification service. Adjust any required permissions in your project's code to restrict access based on token ownership. Test the deployment by visiting your site's URL. Verify that the token gate works correctly for users with and without tokens. Finally, make any necessary adjustments based on your testing feedback. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Netlify to deploy a token-gated website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.